Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have something different. We have an advent calendar and it is the Ulta Garland Advent, which I thought was really cool. I have a tiny little haul with it and a Colourpop story. So let's get into it and I'll show you what I've got. So I can't wait to get into this. I have done zero peeping. As I am making this video, this is still available. It is $20 on Ulta. You could probably use your $3.50 coupon toward it. We're going to get in that in just a second, but I thought I would show you what else I got in that little haul. And I got a Colourpop haul that was going to be a collab with a girlfriend, but it didn't work for us to get together and do the collab. So I'm just going to show you the goodies that I got, and then maybe we'll do a look with it at another time. So Ulta was having a sale when I went in to pick up the advent calendar. And I'm always looking for fun and different things to do with my hair. And I know you're thinking, what? It's always straight. Yes, but I wish it weren't. I wish it were curly or anything else. So the day that I got on to buy the advent calendar, this was on sale. I know, right? That is a heck of a contraption. And it is a bed head, a wave we go. And you put your little hairs in there and it's like the old-fashioned crimpers, but they're bigger and they're rounder. So you end up more with, I have no idea what we're gonna get. My hair is resistant to any kind of curling or waving or anything, so who knows if it will even work on me, but it was like, I wanna say it was on sale for like $17 from $39 or $49, so I thought, yeah, that looks fun. But before I decided I wanted it, I got on YouTube to see if anybody had used it. And there were a couple of girls that had used it, and one had gorgeous hair, and she did, I wish I could remember her name, she did a lot of hair things on her channel, and she recommended this, and it is the Tresemme Heat Tamer, and she said she used it damp, she used it dry. I love heat protectant. This one, when I got on and checked it out, said it also helped with setting, I think. This product helps guard against damage from heat and friction caused by styling tools, helping to keep your hair shiny and soft. Instant preparation for all hair types and textures. This will enhance hair's flexibility to form and hold its shape without getting damaged. So hopefully I will also get a little bit of help maintaining whatever shape I put in it. And it's really inexpensive. I want to say it's like $4.99 and it was buy one, get one half off. So here's hoping I really like it because I have two of them. But that's all I got in that Ulta haul. I thought the hair thing would be fun to try and this would protect my hair as I did it. Plus, I like that trigger. And the Colourpop order that I have was just another little one. And I just picked up a few odds and ends. Actually, let me just take them right out of here so I can quickly show them to you. Back at the beginning of October, Colourpop announced that they were going to do a Disney collab with Hocus Pocus. And we love Hocus Pocus around here, so I just had to have the set. And it's called Gather Round, Sisters. Sisters? Yes, because we just watched it because it was Halloween. And I kind of meant to have this out for Halloween, but the collab just didn't work out. And that is what the palette looks like. And it has the names on the back, and it's like Full Moon, Hello Salem, Brew Potion, On Toast, Come Little Children, 'Tis Firm, Thackeray Binks. So many, if you watch the movie and you know the movie, so many references to the movie. Oh, it's so pretty. See, it's warm and yet there's some coolness to it. I was afraid it was going to be super warm. So that's what the top looks like. No mirrors, but like I always say, I don't mind that it doesn't have a mirror because I use my 10 by. And that is what the palette looks like. See how it's kind of warm and yet some of it is a little cool? Let's just swatch a couple. It's got my all over eyelid. It has a transition color, just a nice beigey transition color. And ooh, Thackeray Binks. It's a nice purple. This one is called Yabos. We will just push right past that. That is what that looks like. Dead Man's Toe. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, that is a gorgeous purple. So these are really pretty. Now they also just did a new release that I picked up. You guys will have to let me know if you want to see me do either look with this or the one that I have coming in. The one that I have coming in is called The Child. And you might have seen it on Insta. It's the Mandalorian. I wish that I didn't love Baby Yoda, but I do. I'm that kind of nerd girl. I love me some Baby Yoda. What can I tell you? But they have a palette and it's greens, which I also love. So I've picked that up. So let me know if that's something you want to see. And then as part of this, I also picked up, and just for the record, I tried to pick up, there were 3 colored eyeliners, and I only got the Trick or Treat, which I think is the purple one. There was a green one. You know I wanted that green one. Maybe a gold. I'm not sure what the other one was. And there were lip kits. Oh, the lip kits were so pretty. These sold out so fast. It was unbelievable. So that is what the top looks like. I'm not giving you the fish reference. What am I missing? Let me know what I'm missing up there, guys. And then it is the cream gel liner. And it says Hocus Pocus, and it's the cream gel liner. And I got it, oh, in purple, and it is so pretty. It's a gorgeous purple. All right, so I did manage to get that one liner and that palette, and I am super happy. But to round out my order, because who wants to pay shipping and handling? You just have to buy a little more. I got the 4th Ray Cocoa Love Coconut Face and Lip Kit. And I always say, if you watch the channel, you know I love coconut. So when we open it up, it is a coconut face milk and a lip mask. Let's just take this out just quickly for a minute. I read all about it, and I can use all of the ingredients in it. Obviously, or I wouldn't have purchased it. And it seemed, oh, that's nice. It seemed to have really good reviews and say things that I like. That is what it looks like. It's super thick. It smells a little bit coconutty, but it is luxuriously thick. It is, I used way too much, even for your whole face. That drop that you saw me use was probably too much. Oh my goodness, too much. Stay focused. Was probably too much. Oh my goodness, that is so hydrating. Oh wow, I imagine my skin is gonna love that. Let's see what this says. This Lush Kit features our coconut cult favorite face milk and lip mask duo for ultra nourished skin and lips. Drench skin in hydrating coconut milk and layer coconut lip mask on lips for the softest, sweetest pout ever. Use anytime your skin or lips need some cocoa bliss. And that is what that looks like. It's 4th Ray lip mask. I see this 4th Ray stuff in my Insta feed. My Insta feed is kind of driving my needs these days a lot. And I was like, I should definitely try that. Because if you like it, the prices are incredibly reasonable. I think this kit was like $15. It smells good. I don't really smell the coconut, but that is what it looks like. Put a little bit on my pinky and we'll get a feel for it. Oh my goodness, my hand, guys. I don't know if you can see softness, but my hand, oh, I hope it works on my face. That feels amazing. I'm gonna take this little bit of lip and put it just on the back of that hand. And let's see. Oh yeah, it just melts right in, just like a lip mask would, kind of to an oil. I hope that shine comes across. Oh, that does smell good. I can actually smell it now. It's not overly coconutty, to the point where I would even say if you don't love coconut, and who doesn't love coconut, I would think you could still use it. Yeah, I like these a lot. This face is amazing. I cannot wait to see what this does on my face. I hope, wow, that is amazing. How moisturized it made the back of my hand. I'll tell you what, if my face for some reason doesn't like it, I will be using it on my hands. Okay, back to the main event. We have the Ulta Beauty 12 Days of Beauty 12-piece beauty countdown. And I think it said beauty garland when I first bought it online. Let's take it out and we'll see. They show a picture on the back of, it's just kind of a swag. Let's see if I can do that before I rip into it. And just kind of, I feel like a magician pulling out never-ending scarves. Like, it's not too big, and that is what it looks like. Let's open these up and see what is in these 12 Days of Beauties. This is by far the most reasonably priced advent calendar out there. Advent calendars can be really pricey, and the beauty of this one, which should make it much easier than many of the advent calendars that I have, is it is numerical. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna make it way easy because I won't be searching for numbers. I love how they're all diamond shaped, and we have number 1. And the first thing we have is an Ulta Beauty Chrome Eyeshadow Duo. And that is what that looks like. Let's open it up. I just saw on the back of it that it said made in China. And it's 2 colors. And that is what they swatch like. Bearing in mind the back of my hand is very moist if they grabbed it all. It's hard for me to tell in the video. Oh, they're very nice. Oh, that one's really nice. This lighter one here, let me darken that up just a skosh. Yeah, that is so pretty. I don't think I've ever used any Ulta eyeshadows. Number 2 is a matte eyeshadow duo. These are nice colors. This is very creamy and then a dark one. So you could have like a nice all over and then a transition. Oh, very creamy. I do like that. I know, I said it was a surprise, right? That is what those two look like. They swatch pretty nicely. The first one is very difficult to get to the point where you guys can see it on me because, as I always say, it's me colored. But that's what those two look like. All right, number 3 is a pretty gold one. Kind of rose goldy, actually. This one we have an eyeshadow crayon in 340. It doesn't seem to have a name on it. That is what that looks like. Swatch it, and I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. You could use that in your corner eyes like I have the Thrive one that you use, but that's really smooth and shiny and nice. See, I don't think I've ever bought any Ulta branded makeup before, so this is all new to me. Number 4, which is very pretty, by the way, is magically in here. It is like suspended in there. It's so tight. This is a plumping lip oil. How cute is that? I'm not going to swatch that because it's just a little bit. It's just a little plumping lip oil. That is adorable. Number 5 is a little pink one. And it is, looks like a lippy. It's just an Ulta Beauty lipstick. It tells me absolutely nothing, like what kind of lipstick it is or what color it is, but it's just that color and that size. Does it twist? Yeah, it does. It goes up a little bit. Let's go ahead and swatch it. That's adorable. It's a very nice kind of rusty nude. That's pretty. Totally wearable. It's pretty creamy. It definitely has a matte look to it. You can see it's definitely matte, but it's pretty creamy feeling. All right, 6 is a nice burgundy one. It's one of the bigger ones. And this one is a brow highlighter. So it looks a lot like the other one. What was the other one? The other one is a eyeshadow crayon. This one is a brow highlighter. I'll put this one right here. Oh, very creamy. I can't even see it, but wow, it looks, it's the one I just put right there. Can you guys see both of them? There's like one here and one here. They look in real life, looking down at them, I don't think I could tell them apart. Number 7, we have a nice little rose gold one. This is kind of fun. This would be really perfect, like if you had a teenage daughter, or, I mean, you could like it for yourself too, but if you had like a teenage daughter that you bought for, how much fun would this be? This is so cute. This is a little lip gloss. Oh my goodness, look how cute that is. I am loving the little lippies. They are adorable. It's just got a tiny little doe foot on it. Put it right here on the edge. Oh, it's just a sweet, almost clearish pink. I don't even know if you guys can get it right in there. It doesn't smell like anything. That is so cute. Number 8 is another one of the pretty designed ones. These two are, oh, you can pull them apart and say these two are really close together. So you can readjust these on here if you need to hang it. Because this would be super sweet hung. This is a matte liquid lip. So it's another cute little lippy. I like the little lippies. I like anything that you take and make little. Like it would be normal, but then you shrink it down. Miniature. Miniature would be the word you're looking for, Kathrin. Oh, that's nice, actually. I like that a lot. The color is nice and the texture went on a little moussey, but it spread out too. Very nice. I like that. Let's see how it dries down since it's a matte. Number 9 is a bigger pink one. We have a tube of something. It is a mattifying face primer. Oh, that's kind of fun to try. Let's see what their face primer looks like. Oh, it's a clear one. It's kind of, wow, it's gonna be hard to see. It's a clear silicone-y one. It looks kind of like the Smashbox. What's it called? Oh my goodness. We got that in a million boxes. What was that called? Primerizer. Primerizer. Yeah, staying with that. Feels just like it too. This has got a lot of slip like the silicone ones. All right. Next we have number 10, and it's a little one, but something about it feels, I think it feels heavy. It's hard to tell because everything is connected, but I feel like this one feels heavy. Let's see. Maybe it's a rock. Well, it does have tissue paper in it. All right, got it. It is, oh, blush duo, I was gonna say, it doesn't say on the back. It is a little blush duo with a really sweet peachy tone. A very light peachy tone and a slightly darker peachy tone. Again, I think this would be so, I mean, you could get it for yourself too, but this would be so sweet if you had like a teenager you bought for, or a child or a grandchild. I I mean, these are really, look how sweet those colors are. Very light. Yeah, I can almost not get them, and you know how light I am? I can almost not get them to show up on my hand. I have them right here, the lighter one and the darker one. Those are so sweet. 11, so 2 more to go. Did you guys purchase the Ulta brand makeup or like the Sephora brand makeup? Do you buy the store branded makeups? Let me know below. This is a highlighter. So you're really working your way toward almost a full face here. Oh, it has a star pressed into it. That is so cute. Oh, it's kind of got a nice creamy feel to it. That is what it looks like. Lots of shine. I'll do it right across the top here. Put that right there. So these are such subtle colors. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and try. This is completely dried down, and you can see now that although it's dry, it doesn't look like it wants to crack at all. I mean, it's still got a little bit of tackiness to it, so it doesn't do a complete dry down. Let's see how it comes off. That's after 1 wipe. That's after about 5 wipes, and I'm putting some pressure on that. This is one of the Beekman 1802 wipes that I've told you guys I have absolutely fallen in love with. Yeah, I mean, you gotta work to get it off. That's really good. And day number 12, and it's such a pretty little diamond. Let's see what we've got. I'm taking it out. We have, oh, what is that? It's wet. It is a makeup setting spray. So it is the little Ulta makeup setting spray. That is so cute. So after you've put all that on your face, you can set it. Let's see how this little does with a mist. Wow. That is crazy impressive. Oh, it smells nice. Yeah, I might have to actually try this one, although those 2 squirts took it down quite a bit. I might have to actually try that. That smells fantastic, and that mist is amazing. The mist is so good that it makes me want, oh, it does. It comes off. So once you've finished it, or if it doesn't suit you, you could put yours in there to travel with. That's such an awesome idea, because this mist on this tiny little pack up is crazy good. That is the Ulta 12 Days of Beauty, 12-piece beauty countdown garland. And I think that it was super cute. Let me know below what you guys think. Would you buy it for yourself, or would you buy it for like a child or a grandchild? Again, that's what it looks like. So you could like hang it up in your room and each day open it, or it's just really cute. I like it. I'm gonna keep this to fill with other goodies at some point, I think. Like you could do 12 days of birthday or just anything. All right, let me know below what you guys think. So I have my nice little advent calendar. I got 2 of these Tresemme, what was it called? Heat Tamer, and it's a leave-in spray because it came highly recommended from a girl with awesome hair, because that is basically how I do my shopping. Ooh, her hair is pretty. I wonder what she uses. And that same day, not only had she used that, but she had used this. This is, just for the record, if you have like arthritis or this is very heavy. I can imagine working with this is going to be a little unwieldy. Still fun to play with, but I could see how it might get a little out of hand. And then from Colourpop, I got the Hocus Pocus palette, the Hocus Pocus purple eyeliner, and this awesome 4th Ray coconut face milk and lip mask. So that's my little haul for today. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will see you really soon. Take care of you and have a great week. Bye, guys.